And we are almost live. Let me bring this closer actually. Nice. Let me quickly post this into my community on school. We're ready to roll, baby. So let's place 7:30, I guess. Let's keep it at 4 hours. And let's add the link here. Let's quickly grab this. Nice. And we are live. Everything's posted. Awesome. So in today's live stream, I'm gonna change it up a little bit from the previous one. So today I'm gonna work on finding some ideas about a product that's called Bad Cop. So I got approached by a founder here in Greece a couple of days ago. And while we were talking, he was like, "Oh, I have a passion project that I need some help with because it's not really converting well, even though it's a very nice idea. And it actually is a great idea." And I was looking at the website and I can point out a few ways that I can actually improve this visually. And maybe we can guarantee some sales through this upgrade. So let me open up my my other screen. So this is the current website, which is called badcop.tech, and I opened up a conversation with Bud here, and one of the first things that I did is to let Bud understand fully what Badcop does, and then give me a list of competitors that I can check out. So a full product understanding of badcop.tech is the following. In very plain terms, when a PE firm or a VC is about to invest or acquire a tech company, they need to know, is this the technology actually sorted, or is it a house of cards? And that question normally requires hiring an extensive CTO consultant, waiting weeks, and handling over code repositories. And Badcop skips all of that, because instead of going through this extensive auditing, it runs a structured 20-minute interview with the target's company's engineering leadership, asking pointed questions about their architecture, team infrastructure, and processes. So you don't need any code, no visits to website. It's a very advanced interrogation. And the investor, within 24 hours, they get a report that flags architecture risks, technical debt, key person risk, security gaps, cloud hosting efficiency, IP, and competitive mode. The AI handles the structured analysis, and the core pitch in one sentence is: get the same intelligence a senior technical advisor would surface in 24 hours instead of 3 weeks at a fraction of the cost without touching a line of code. So this is basically the pitch, and this is what this tool/product does. And the idea here is to improve this landing page, introduce a brand identity for sure, because the name Badcop is very nice, and I really want to use a mascot logo, definitely, so we're gonna explore that. But for starters, the good approach would be to, first of all, showcase to use some of the current competitors that we have. As you will understand, the majority of them follow pretty simple designs. Few of them, like MIDA XO, do have pretty cool brandings. But the majority of them are like very old school branding, almost looks like a template, or it's too basic in a way. It uses like very simple patterns. It doesn't really trigger any I don't know, any willingness to learn more, or there's like too much info also. So I feel like we do have a lot of room to innovate in this space and introduce a fresh identity. I'm just skimming through very quickly some of the other competitors in this space based on the bad research. TechSpark is an interesting one because it really feels like a vibe coding website. There's no hate in that, of course, but I do spot patterns that an AI would build. But it looks good. I feel like typography is a bit narrow and small in some cases. But yeah, there are very few examples of companies that I can get some inspiration from this space from. Even Republic is a good one, but I'm not really able to grab any interesting or unique assets, especially for a landing phase. Here are some other ones. Optro. This is a cool one, I would say. CTO.ai is kind of a not really great one, aesthetic wise. Contrary, I feel like this logo is a logo in reverse that I've seen before. Anyways, and Visible is also very simple. And Ramp is also a good example. I feel like Ramp is not a competitor, and I think that a few of those websites are also website inspirations here. So yeah, the idea here for this stream is to first start gathering some more inspo for a brand identity that we can follow. In my head, we're definitely going for we're definitely going for a dark theme. And as I told you, I have grabbed a few examples of websites that I can follow. For example, I do like the use of graphic design aesthetics here with these images. I'm very into that. I also like the buttons and the typography used, this combo. So this is a very nice website for inspo. In this one, I like the color scheme. It's a bit bold, but I feel like the word cop is very related to the word blue. So I'm trying to introduce the word blue without feeling too like intimidating, because the name bad cop can also be kind of negative. So I'm trying to bring the meaning of a bad cop as more of a more strict interrogator. So I'm trying to deviate away from the negativity of this phrase and make it more fun, more like an old school investigator kind of aesthetic. So I don't know if that explains why I like this color scheme, but I do have to mention that also. I like this this website from Greece Goodbye, just based on the simplicity of it, and I think it's gonna work well with our landing page. So maybe this website is simply good for component structure, layout structure and stuff. This is also very good source of inspiration, because I do want to follow a strict dark theme, very modern looking but simple, straight to the point approach. And I feel like this landing page really covers that perfectly. I might want to steer away from those glows and this like UI usage and add more of some graphics and stuff. Since we don't really have to showcase any UI, that much. And yeah, I love the bento grids. It's a very simple website, but it looks clean. I love the cards, how they look. This is Saddle outline. So this is definitely a website that I'm gonna grab inspiration from. This one again I really like because of the use of pixelated icons. I'll be using them a lot, so I might do that in this website also. I like the dark theme of it, it's very light. I like the typography also. Again, very simple cards and components. So it's a very good. Yo, what's up, Alex? Arya Carter, hello, how are you? I feel like this is a bot, but hello, Arya. Hope you're doing good. What's up, Alex? How's it going, man? So this is definitely a good website inspo. This is also a nice one. Maybe in dark theme. I'm not very sure. Let me tone the voice down. Nice to hear that. Do you stream daily? I mean, I try to stream daily. I usually do co-working streams and vibe coding. Poker session, chilling. Let's go. You should stream some poker, man. You should stream some poker for sure. So this website, but in dark theme, would be a good source of inspo as well. I also like the animations. Maybe we can animate our graphics. Good luck with the search. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, do you stream? Do you like co-working streams? This one, Deep Judge. I like the color schemes for sure. Imagine them inversed in a dark theme. It would be very nice. I feel like it's not really close to what I have in mind. Guys, are you in the poker stream? Yeah, we are, dude. Let's go. All in on the poker stream. This one is also great. I can definitely grab the aesthetic fully. Maybe tone it down a little bit, make it darker. But I like the way the bottom looks also. So this is a great website. I love the navbar on this one. I imagine a mascot logo here, a way more minimal navbar with less items, but I do love the navigation bar on this one. Fuck, and I closed it. It's crazy. Where are you from? Studio Drusky. I'm from Greece. I'm from Greece. Pioneer works. I'm not sure what I liked about this one. Maybe the combination of typography. Not very sure. It does look great, but I'm trying to remember why I liked it. Anyways, this one is nice mostly because of the flow. Nice to meet you as well. This is nice because of the flow. And it also basically introduces you to Howie, which is a secretary, probably a virtual assistant. And I do want to follow a mascot-like approach, so maybe we can start with Meet Bad Cop, the blah blah blah, or something like that. So it's a website that inspires me in terms of copy approach, the flow of it, and the components are also pretty close to what I would want to use, but strictly in dark mode probably. By the way, can I ask you something? I feel like you are a bot, but yeah, go ahead and ask. I don't know, I might have to ban you soon. We'll see, we'll see. So this is about Howie. I feel like it's a good idea. And I also like the menu, to be honest. So this is definitely a great source of inspo. This one, I love the components. I love the components, and I love how those cards are interact. It's a great website. So I can probably grab the cards from here. So shout out to Mariana Pavlinits, great website. Sephard, I like the color scheme. I want to see how it would look in a darker theme for sure. So I will keep it in mind. And 20.com, I really like the flow, the components. Yeah, nothing more than that. So this is my base. My idea here is to first decide on a great dark theme with a nice accent blue, just to support the idea of a bad cop, police, blue collar. We have a sip. And once we find that, what I did with Bad Offline was that I captured the current copy of the website, and then I basically asked Bad to review and examine it in order to improve it based on best practices as of today, and basically by humanizing the copy that you're gonna be basically producing without altering the context. And the output that Bad gave me, I actually haven't checked it out. So the wireframe copy that I asked for, so that I can see a layout of how each new section is gonna look, etc., etc. So the website wireframe and copy, the logic goes as follows. We have the navigation bar, and the CTAs that we have now are gonna be two, which is start free audit and book a call with the CEO. The current one, the CTAs are a bit scattered and they do follow different names each time. For example, free tech audit and then free assessment, and then you have free AI audit, and then book Michael, and then book expert, and then free AI audit. So this can cause confusion for sure. Actually, I do some art stuff for Twitch streamers, so I would like to do something really great for your channel at very affordable prices. I mean, I'm a designer, so I appreciate it a lot. I would love to see your work. Maybe that would be awesome. But I appreciate the offer. I don't consider myself a Twitch streamer, so I don't know. I hope this is not an automated message, and I hope you are genuine. And this is one aspect of something that would definitely lower down sales and conversions, because the copy is a bit unclear on CTAs. So the new two CTAs are gonna be start a free audit and then book Michael. Apart from that, the funnel flow, awareness pages, consideration pages. Let me see where we start seeing some structure. So for the hero section, the heading is screen the tech before you sign. Technical due diligence for PE deal teams and VC partners. Risk brief in 24 hours. No code access required. Used by deal teams on transactions from seed rounds to 500 million by buyouts. Start a free AI-powered assessment in 20 minutes. Start pre-audit or book Michael. Maybe we can be more clear on the heading, to be honest, because I liked the simplest copy approach that we got from the previous output. Basically this one. Where is it? Get the same intelligence and make a senior technical advisor with Surface in 24 hours instead of 3 weeks at a fraction of the cost without touching a line of code. I feel like this core pitch should exist somewhere. We have use cases afterwards, how it works section, and diligence focus areas section for the report preview, what you get basically, testimonials, and then basically a section about the expert, which is Michael in our case. A section about the security, okay. An FAQ, a bottom CTA, and footer. Okay. I think one of the areas that definitely struggle in my eyes so far is the hero. I think this, especially the subhead and the heading, doesn't really convey the message quickly. So maybe we can fix that. Maybe I can say something like, let's paste the core message again. Say something like, I like the simplicity and straightforwardness of the core message. Maybe following the same approach to copy on our website wireframe copy would be more beneficial. And I'm not sure about microcopy or all of the supporting copy. I'm wondering if we can be more lenient as well. More lenient? Or lenient? I don't know. Lean. I think lean is the word. Just checking the copy real quick. I feel like we can cut some stuff out. I would say audit the copy more and see how we can reduce microcopy, labels, generally elements that are redundant, to cut off, let's say, fat and quotation marks from our landing page and secure more conversions. And the important part is to never alter context. So let's see how bot can improve that, and I can open up a few more websites. I'm also wondering if there's like a dark theme website inspiration. Nice, we have dark.design. That's cool. Let's check out a few dark mode websites. Unlock everything. My man. Are you kidding me? Check out another website. Let's see if I can find some. This is also very fun and simple. The usage of icons is cool. I mean, the models are pretty simple. I mean, nothing wrong with that. It's a pretty chill website. Cushion, an alternative to Slack, basically. It's cool. Let's keep looking at some websites here. Curious about the navigation bar on this one. Okay. see a lot of cool things, but I do have a general idea in mind. So I'm looking for the perfect website that can inspire me to basically showcase that to you as well. Let me see. I hope you can all hear the dog. This dog is going crazy, bro. Oh my god. Most annoying part about Athens. Everybody has a dog in Athens. And they never train those dogs. So I think the idea of following a more simple layout approach is very cool in our case. So basically something like this website. And I also like the cool navigation bar on the far left. It feels a little bit weird to click on, probably things fixed. I love the simplicity of the buttons and all that. Maybe this is a good starting point, but with a refinement on the UI that's closer to maybe something like this, and also where is the other one? And where is it? This one, those cards, basically. I feel like this is a good starting point. So I'm gonna leave Bud work on a copy, review it, and I'm gonna basically ask him to start building based on those 3 website inspirations for starters, just to get the ball rolling. And at the same time, we can probably generate a few mascots and stuff while we see what Bud is going to generate, basically. So we can maybe do that. So we do have a result here. So let me see. Let's see. Homepage, wireframe and copy, hero section. Maybe this is the same as before. Yeah. Okay. I'm on the wrong document here. So copy reduction audit. Okay, let's see. Screen detect before you sign. Technical due diligence for PE, deal teams and VC partners. Risk brief in 24 hours, no code access required. Okay. Final copy. Okay, kept but titled to 1 sentence. Build for every stage of the deal. Before I see, not after. Surface architecture, red flags and key personals portfolio investment committee. Know what investors will find. Day 1 with the plan. Okay. 3 steps to a deal ready report. 30 seconds, no credit card, instant access. Questions, adapt based on your answers. Prioritize risk factors, remediation costs. Traditional advisors charge 25k to 100k and take 2 to 4 weeks. Where the deal breaks down. item 1, item 2, item 3. Okay, item 5, expose credentials. This is what you get. Bullet points and a CTA. Testimonials. Okay, the expert behind the AI. And about us page for the founder. Basically, your deal intelligence stays yours. Tiles, lists, FAQ, and bottom CTA. Pricing page, pick your level of technical clarity, start free or book the expert. All paid packages include direct access to Michael. 20-minute AI session, risk brief within 24 hours, top risk vendors identified, architecture snapshot, key person concentration flag. And then we have 60 minutes with Michael on specific technical risk, no briefing documents needed, Michael asks questions. We do have CTAs here, but they are in a lighter color. 4 hours of dedicated advisory every month. Screen new pipeline. Manage post-close integration. Have a veteran CTO in your corner. Okay, before you book, so what is that? Kind of more CTA, an extra FAQ. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, pricing page FAQ. So we do have 2 FAQ sections basically. Common questions and the pricing page FAQ. But maybe this is the sub page, so yeah, an FAQ is needed. Yeah, it's a sub page. Services page, methodology pages. Okay. What I want to do before I start asking about to build a UI is to run a final, maybe let's say something like the lean copy version works better. I want you to run a final audit and compare the current live version of Badcop's website and the copy/context and compare it to the lean version to see if you missed any info, changed any context by accident, etc. And then produce a markdown document that contains only the website structure with copy without commentary and with a simple style. Maybe it's markdown, yeah. So I just want a markdown without commentary. There's no style. So let's wait on that, and then we can start building the UI slowly. I want to see if we are close on context without having any altered stuff or any wrong stuff being displayed, and we can go ahead and proceed afterwards. Nice. Wait, reload window. So, have the website copy ready. Awesome. So we have the navigation bar, hero, trust bar, use cases, how it works, and all of that. That's awesome. We also done the comparison with the actual live website, so I'm trusting that those details are correct. I will also do the check once the product is finalized, but I want to have as close to the original context as possibly as I possibly can. So I feel like we definitely managed to do here. So we have the clean copy for each page ready to go. Oh, sorry. My approach here, now that we have a solid idea on how to start, will be to basically ask for bot to read those websites. Sorry, I had to cough. So I have to basically attach the URLs to the bot here, just to get some idea visually of what I want to achieve. And I'm gonna explain to bot as well what I like from each of those websites. And then I have one more trick that I can use to grab some elements and the code behind them, so I can help develop a better UI and design system. Vibe Tune, what's up, my man? How's it going, bro? Thank you for stopping by. How's it going? Did Como manage to win? Was it Como? What was the name of the team for Juventus and stuff? So, sorry, I was responding to a message. So let's go here. Do I have another one? I don't want this one. I don't want this one. I want this for sure. Yeah. So one of the things that I use is an extension that's called SuperDev, and I'm using the Pro version. It has a nice feature called Explore Elements. So whenever you click on it and you focus on the specific element that you want to export, what happens is that a code pen page opens up and you basically have the HTML and CSS of said component. Usually, as you can see right now, I don't have it. It sucks, but I'm not sure why. Let me try again. Or maybe I can grab the whole thing, and that can be more helpful. So this got everything everything captured, but the hover over effect is not. So I'm wondering how I can grab this properly. Let me see. Yeah, I still get a blank here, which is weird actually. Not sure why that happens. How can I grab this properly? With the hover over effect and all that, unless bot can understand this right away. Yeah, I still do not get the hover over effect, so it's probably not gonna be helpful. Anyways, fuck this tool. No, not fuck this tool. Fuck this for this specific occasion. The tool is pretty awesome actually. So I'm just gonna go and explain to bot what I want to see. I also want to test if my text-to-speech tool is gonna mess with my stream, so let me test. Check 2 1 2. I see that my mic is still picking up. If it doesn't, somebody let me know if I'm muted or not right now. So let me start prompting here, bot, and convey my idea of this first website design. So how can we start? First of all, visit all of the websites that I attached and examine their UI. For Bandcop, what I want to see is a very simple but premium looking dark theme website built in Next.js and React. And the idea here is to basically get inspired by the websites that I attached, especially for the components and the color schemes. It wasn't the greatest results, but we still in the run for the UCL qualification. Oh, okay, dude. Best of luck. Best of luck to you then. Go. So for bad cop here. And I want to see what the name of the website was. So for pattern, from pattern actually. Or maybe I can say something like follow the layout, architecture and UI as an UI from pattern as the base. Use the cards UI from, that was the name of it. Dude, where are you, bro? Oh my god. There we are. Use the cards UI from and the hover over effect. but generally utilize those cards as the basis of the radius system that we can follow, because I really love how curved they are set out to this designer. And then one of the elements that I like is this one, but I still don't have the mascot logo, so I'm gonna use this later. I also like this one, so maybe I can say I also like this website, maybe a darker version of it. Also a fan of the bottom, very distinct, would work well for a CTA. When it comes to our accent color, I need a perfect blue. The idea is to basically follow the name of our tool, which is bad cop. So cops usually in police follow a blue scheme, but the goal here is to introduce a unique blue that's not like very reminiscent of police, but it's actually more fun and more appropriate for our product. Also, the idea for a later stage is to introduce a mascot logo of basically a cop that's not really a policeman, but more so like a figure of the 90s, like a very strict detective kind of like feeling. So keep that also in mind for the overall brand identity that we're gonna try and build later. And also probably I can add this first website. This website is also a great source of inspo typography wise. I feel like this is a ton of good context for Bud. It's kind of scattered, I would say, but we're here to fix any issues. So I'm just gonna hit enter and pray for the best. Sound is good, no issues for now. Nice, thank you dude, thanks for checking in. I'm here, I'm just taking a break off camera while Bud does some tasks. if the music is a bit louder than usual. Oh shit, I apologize for that. I now reduced it, so let me know if it's annoying still. Let me know if the music is still very loud for you. I can take care of it. Oh, it's way better. Okay, that's nice. I'm still here. I'm waiting for Bud. Since my microphone was a bit messed up before, I'm just gonna do a recap of what I'm trying to build. So the other day I was speaking with a friend of mine, which is a founder, and a side project of his is called Bad Cop. Bad Cop does a technical due diligence way faster and way cheaper than a firm, and in a way faster time. How it does that is by using AI to do a very high level and professional interrogation, quote unquote, since it's a bad cop, in order to understand if you are ready to be and safe as a product, so that you can get investment and proceed further. And the current website is very basic, I would say, and there are a couple of pointers that kind of take away from the actual dopeness of the product. Misaligned copy, kind of vague CTAs that have a lot of different copy, from free tech audit to get your free assessment, from meet the expert to book Michael, which is the name of the founder. So I spotted a few of those inconsistencies, and while I was offline, I was doing some research, trying to find some cool, simple looking, dark themed websites, so that I can start grabbing some inspo, some components that I like, and start formulating a dark theme landing page for bad copy. Then the plan afterwards, after seeing how bad will perform here, bad with a U, not how bad, but how bad will perform. My goal with bad copy is to basically focus on a mascot logo, like an old school detective, and then build graphics maybe in this style. I will see that, I will explore that more. That can support certain sections of the website just to give it more character and make it more unique. Usually when I work, and especially in those live streams, I use Bud a lot. Bud is, as their people say, an AI supercomputer, in quotation marks. It's basically a similar tool to Manus, but I've seen so far that it performs way better, and it's more, I would say it feels more lightweight in a way. Also, when it comes to performance and how many credits you burn, it's also way more efficient. And as a freelancer, I was using Manus a lot, and it got very expensive, and you don't really have any option to add extra credits. You have to update your subscription. So Bud was an overall better solution for me. So in my workflow, I tend to have one AI that I use as my overall agent / assistant. In this example, and in many branding examples that I do, I usually go for competitive analysis, generating copy, generating images, grabbing assets, grabbing UI, exploring UI elements, themes, etc. So Bud does amazing work on that. And then I usually use Cloud Code or Open Code whenever I want to dive deeper, use specific skills that I like a lot in order to optimize code pages, front-end wise, back-end wise. So that's why you see me use Bud a lot. You can definitely use Claude. You can even use Claude Code to do those things that I do here with Bud. It might take more time, it might look more complicated, but you're only really limited to using what I see on the screen. You can switch Bud to Manus, you can switch Bud to your local LLM. But I prefer Bud because I just tend to tinker a lot with AI tools. Yeah, I just find Bud more affordable than Manus. I like the people from Bud, so that's why I use it a lot. So as I see now, Bud is setting up some global styles. The scaffolding for the Next.js application for Bud copy is done, which is good. So maybe I can we can work on finding some inspiration for the overall branding, the logo for Bud cop, etc. Maybe that would be a good move while we wait for Bud. So maybe I can search for something like logos for starters. I use Arena a lot. It's basically a cooler version of Behance or something like that, I would say. And it's a website I use a lot for graphic design inspiration. And I usually tend to drop a lot of visual references to AI tools to generate images and stuff. and Arena has a lot of channels that you can browse and gather inspo from, so I highly recommend using it. So I'm mostly looking for mascots and cool graphics, maybe that's more 90s like, 80s like, but that we can bring to the like modern logo scene. That's my goal with this bad cop mascot. Let's see what we can find as inspiration. This is fun. Not really close to the aesthetic that I'm looking for, but I'm also trying to capture faces, expressions of characters, just to get closer to like a figure that's curious, strict, like a detective kind of figure, taken straight out from a book. This is my vision for this bad cop mascot. Maybe a cool looking like 80s cops hat, a coat, some shit like that. Maybe that would be fun. I might narrow down my search to like mascot logos or something like that soon, but let's see, let's keep on looking. This is also fun. It's very pixelated, but it's pretty fun. Oh, we do have a first result from Bud. This is great. Gonna take a look at that. So let's open up the new tab here. So screen the tag before you sign. Let's make it wider. So technical due diligence for PE deal teams and VC partners. Right off the bat, I'm not really seeing any blue, which is unfortunate. So maybe I should have been more lean with my prompt and not add a ton of shit. The primary font is not one that I like a lot, actually. So maybe I wasn't that clear with my prompt. It was a bit messy. This is not a bad start, for sure. I see a lot of great things here. But typography can be improved, for sure. The color is off. I like this floaty pill here. I wish it was centered. For some reason it's not. But otherwise, I'm not mad at the sections and how they look, but we're kind of far off still, which is not bad. It's not bad. So let's focus on the first major stuff, which is color. I never asked for purple. And then less typography, probably two fonts or even one. And then less microcopy, for sure, because these are just not visible. If they need to exist, they need to be bigger for sure. So let's start with those, and we can definitely improve this slowly. So first of all, the purple that you're using is way off. Explore a unique blue color as our accent color, so that we can follow the whole idea of cop, police, blue collar, but strike a unique accent that goes well with our system currently. Then basically, I'm not sure how well we followed this website. Not that much actually. Maybe for now we can build a navigation bar similar to pattern. So I can say build a nav bar similar to pattern. And then for typography, I will actually go ahead and see what fonts are being used in this one that we liked. Maybe they are Google fonts, maybe I can use them also, or something similar. So this one is Awesome Serif, and this one is called Skyling. So Awesome Serif, let's see. Awesome Serif doesn't seem to be, yeah, it's not open source, but it's a serif font, so I can probably find an equivalent. For this one, Skyling font, let's see. Geometric grotesque sans typeface. Yeah, it's not. It needs a license. Okay. So my goal is to find a cool looking serif font and a cool looking secondary font that I can have. So maybe I can go to Google Fonts and do that. Fix this once and for all. I think using a serif font would be fun. Check some inspos like Sherlock Holmes characters maybe. Oh yeah, that's a great idea. Maybe I can try and find some sketches, some fun art of those characters. Oh, even this one is cool looking. Just saw that randomly. But this is a good idea. I will check it out very soon. So let's type bad cop maybe, or what was the hero? Screen the text before you sign. So let's find I guess a stick one. What is a stick font? No. Rugged? No. Medieval? No. Why are there no like simple? Oh, serif. Serif, transitional, slab, old style, modern, humanist. Let's try modern. Let's see. Forum is nice. Inria serif is nice also, I would say. Let's see this one again. So it's more narrow for sure, based on the O. So let's find something that's more narrow. Let's look at O's for narrowness. This is also fun. Actually, let me open this up here to have bad. Oh yeah, I mean, I'm still looking for it, so it doesn't matter. I don't know. I don't really like those, so maybe choose all of them. Oh, Playfair is a nice contestant. It really reminds me of the one that they use. Even though it's overused, it's a good font. Oh, this is also fun. Noticia text. This is a nice font actually. Maybe we'll have a winner. I like this one. I like this one a lot. So let's keep this one. So I like it. And let's see what we can do about our secondary font. Should we go for probably a sans serif one, you know? A grotesque one? Yeah. Let's see, or maybe this grotesque. The actual grotesque style. Yeah. Cosette text. It's nice, right off the bat. You look well with this one. This one feels slightly more narrow. Let's keep looking. Wow, it looks so red again. Let's see if I can fix that somehow. This is kind of better. Rethink sounds. I feel like I need something equally narrow like this one. This is no, I don't think so, actually. Public sounds. Funnel could be good. Funnel sounds. I actually like the Mozilla fonts as well. How about using the Mozilla headline actually? Is it too much? This is not bad, Letitia, but I like Mozilla Sans actually. I think we're going Mozilla Sans for the main font. But does Mozilla have what kind of fonts Mozilla has? Mozilla text? Okay. What's the difference? Mozilla headline. Headline. I don't notice any difference. Mozilla text. Oh, okay, yeah, there's a difference. Why not go this way? Mozilla headline and Mozilla text. I think they suit each other perfectly. I mean, that's the goal. Yeah, I never tried Mozilla fonts, so for typography, main font is Mozilla headline, and the secondary one is Mozilla text. Mozilla text. There we are. And then a few other pointers that we need is to either remove microcopy or focus on enlarging all mini text throughout the website because it's not visible. And probably establish a proper point system and ensure that all text is visible and introduce a minimum of, let's say in pixels, I don't know, 16 pixels probably. Follow best practices. And we can fix the navigation bar, we can remove microcopy, we'll fix the typography, we'll fix color. I feel like this is enough for this task. So let's hit enter. And let's give it some time. See what the result's gonna be. let's try and see if I can find any Sherlock Holmes character sketches. Character sketches. Oh yeah, dude. That's actually great source of inspo. For example, this would be an outfit that I would like to see. This was actually a great idea. Shout out to VibeTune, the guy, the goat. So let me open up a new Figma file just to start dropping some inspo. About code, master file, mood board. This can probably be a good outfit choice. So maybe outfit, just to remember it. Any other cool looking sketches? Yo, this is nice. A nice composition also. The outline is very spot on. Maybe that would be a great source of inspo actually. This is also cool. Let me save this actually as well. This outfit is probably a winner here. Maybe this hat. I like the more sharper edges on the character. I prefer the old school pipe, not the cigarette, for sure. That was a great idea, VibeTune. Thanks, dude. Thanks a lot, bro. Okay, that was good. This is also good when it comes to style-wise, so you can say that next to them. Not really. Graphics and illustration, pencil pushing, illustrations. Let's go to illustrations. See if we can find something else. Those are very cool actually. These are cool for the other project that I have, Footsie. So I'm gonna save that for Footsie. That's what you get on the live stream. Let me see. actually, that's cool. Oh, this is also a fun style. And also very accurate. Bad copy, like chasing somebody. It's kind of fun. Little fellas. Oh, maybe this is also a good sort of inspo. Little fellas. This is fun. Maybe for the general graphic design direction and the logo. It's a cool style. Let's see, little fellas. Look at this cute dog. That's sick. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna be very helpful. What the fuck is Luigi doing, bro? What the fuck is that? Holy shit. Oh fuck, a cop. A cop getting eaten by a crocodile. Hey, that's also a good inspo actually. Way more fun caricature-like approach. But this cop is fun. We can keep that. Yeah. Actually, I'm a fan of this guy, a little crocodile. This is probably the coolest channel so far. Everything is stupid, bro. That's funny. This frog is crazy, dude. Wow. I love this. Maybe this is my next tattoo. Little frog guy. Okay, I'm actually satisfied with this channel. It's a cool visual inspo. I noticed an error real quick here with bud. Hydration issue, very classic. Let's see if it gets fixed. Yeah, it doesn't. Let's focus on resolving the hydration issue properly. This face is also very interesting. Maybe I can also grab that. Sadly, I'm also not seeing a huge difference in the blue here. It's still purple. It's kind of unfortunate. So, blue color schemes. I have to find some cool color schemes, I think. Or maybe let me check the bookmarks that I had. Maybe I have some cool blues here. I did have, oh maybe it was the previous product, Fuji. I did have some cool blues here. Let me see, because I'm not really a fan of this purple dude. It needs to be changed. Like even this is gonna be a better blue for now, for our case. So let's grab this and actually change the current color, accent color. to a blue close to the one in the reference code. So while Bud resolves this hydration issue, you can also change the color. And I'm still noticing a few, but it's probably because of the issue, the hydration issue. So let's resolve this first, and I can come back to the rest. It looks good, but it definitely needs more love. I like the typography, but I want to see it properly applied, and also the navigation bar fixed. So let's give it some time to fix those, and we'll see how it goes. Relatable at. Was my mic on this whole time? I was having a call. I hope this wasn't captured. Let me check my stream. Well, that's unfortunate. Let me check real quick. Am I not streaming live? What's going on? What? There we are. I'm glad that we're on. It really sounds very. The music sounds so. So loud. So weird. It really sounds very. Music sounds so. Okay, I think I fixed it now. Sorry for that, I was taking a call. I don't know if it got captured. Anyways, whatever. We're back. So I think that Bud is still running some fixes here. That's a bit. That's taking us a bit back, but let's at least try fixing this hydration issue, and also fix the color scheme. We do have a good basis on how we can build the character and the logo. Yeah, trying to think what else I can do. Oh, this whole stream, the music was loud. I mean, I lowered it, but I now started hearing it on my mobile, and it was so loud. I'm not sure if this stream was working for an hour and a half now. I have to pay attention to that. I'm not sure why the sound changed so drastically, because I haven't changed anything in the OBS. That's annoying. Anyways, shit happens. I hope it's at least audible enough. I now lowered it a lot out of fear. So now I don't know if it's too low. It's even low for me, but I'm not sure what the fuck OBS captures. Anyways, I think about it too much. Well, the hydration error happens still, which is unfortunate. So it probably has to do with the preview issue here. So I'm wondering if I can open a version that's clean. Yeah, not really. That's probably a bug. I should report this to the guys at Bud. What is it? One run dev? npm run dev? What's going on? Okay. It wasn't annoying since you lowered it, don't worry. Since I lowered it, so like 5 minutes ago, it's fucked. But anyways, thanks for letting me know, bro. I'll try my best to not fuck this up anymore. So I'm still facing this hydration issue. I don't know, I think I'm gonna be running on loops if I continue working on it this way. So maybe I can go to like CD and choose badcop-web and then run the inside here and see if that works. Connection refused. Okay, that sucks. Maybe let's ask bot to run a clean preview for badcop-web. Close all current ones. The hydration error keeps popping up. Probably cache issue. No, since an hour plus? Oh, that's sick. Okay. Okay. That's good. That's good. I like that. I'll go grab myself a drink real quick. Oh, nice. Cheers. Truth is, I was feeling very unmotivated today to work, and I feel like the only way to get into a working flow whenever I feel like completely shit is to just open up OBS and pretend that I'm live streaming. But I was like, why not just go live? It would be nice instead of just recording. This stream is not that fun in terms of action. I feel like the yesterday's one was the best one so far. We had a lot of action, we had a lot of things done, but for this one, still pretty much the beginning. So I think I will probably need the next day also to finalize this. But yeah, I was trying to find ways to motivate myself, so hoping on a live stream was the best way possible. And I mean, if I did a live stream, I would probably never done any type of foundational work on the website, so that's a W by itself, I think. That's a pretty interesting one. Very abstract, but cool looking one. So the root cause was Next.js 16's turbo pack. Okay, I feel like it got fixed actually. That's awesome. So this is the current landing page. Screen the tech before you sign. We have the floating navbar, 2 CTAs, start free audit or book micro. The micro copy is kind of better. Build for every stage of the deal. Symbol cards, CTA to book Michael again. The process, the 3 steps. Create account, answer the questions and get the report. Quick info tab. Risk model, where deals break down. Symbol cards definitely needs refinement. The output, what you get, definitely needs refinement. We can definitely introduce graphics here or icons, something else, different layout. What the deal teams say, I think this is very basic and standard. Can focus on that later. The expert behind the AI, it definitely needs more character here. Probably a founder's photo. Less complicated info, so definitely needs more work. Your deal intelligence stays yours. Security, yeah, pretty basic section, definitely needs work. The CTO, the FAQ area, it works. We can make it probably standard, more fun to look at and toggle. Can definitely introduce more elements here. And the final CTA can definitely be more enticing to click. So right off the bat, what we can refine here for this first pass. First of all, how does it look on mobile? Yeah, it looks pretty solid. It definitely needs refinements. The menu looks nice, very nice actually. Okay, we have a lot of good things to work with now. Let me think. One thing that I hate is how often AI tools drop those divs, those dividers. So I despise them a lot. I despise those 01, 02, 03. I see them a lot. I don't like them. Then what I don't like is those very small labels. They literally never getting read. So I also don't love the repetitive bullet points anymore. So we do have a lot of things that we can tackle right away. So let's start by saying number one, remove all dividers, they are too repetitive. Number 2, remove all labels with O1, O2, etc. They appear too many times. Number 3, I still notice a lot of micro labels. For example, let's say use cases is barely visible. Audit, or maybe locate all of those labels and ensure a better styling. Way larger, but still elegant, and a style that doesn't overpower the headings. And what else? What else was I looking for? At least for starters, probably to also make sure that the hero is not all caps. Hero heading text, not all uppercase. And also maybe for typography, produce slightly more narrow text spacing and line height, as well as a more balanced but not that spaced out space between different text styles. Maybe this is a good start to run a good refinement pass on this website. And then it's basically all about brainstorming some better layouts for those sections, which is the fun part actually. But typography wise, I like it. I like the dark color that we use. I'm still not very sold on this blue because it still looks like purple. Am I tripping out? I'm not sure. It still does look like purple. It's kind of weird. I don't know why it does not change. It literally is not the same. You can literally see it. So it's kind of fucked up. I don't know what happens. So I will make sure to drop this screenshot. And maybe I can also grab the color hex code. See if you can use an accent color closer to this and develop a proper color system with color ramps. Use a dark tone and our accent tone and develop color ramps that you can use that way without randomly picking up colors. It's a good addition. To me, it looks more blue than purple. Wow, really? I feel like this, to me, if I place them next to each other, this is definitely more blue than this one. This looks baby blue, and this looks purple to me. So I don't know. It's like this famous dress meme. Is the dress white and golden, or is it blue and dark? So what's going on? Let me go back to this. Okay, we're removing dividers and all that, so let's give it some time. And let's see the changes. Let me see if this got updated real quick. Yeah, it did. The blue changed for sure. I'm not sure about the micro copy. The micro labels. Yeah, I mean they look better. Oh, we do have this one also popping up properly. Thinking. So, okay, I see a lot of changes. I'm not sure if this is the final one. Yeah, I'm not sure. Let me ask bot to run a proper preview of the new updated website. Because I still see a lot of div lines and stuff, so not sure. Cloud browser can't reach localhost. Like it's a bug again. Yeah, they're getting too weird. What the fuck? I saved this one. I saved this one as well. This could be good for footsie graphic design style. This is fun generally. Yeah, I'm not sure. I think I need to think more about this. I think I need more time to find some mood boards, to build a mood board actually. Man, we still have the same issue. Wow. That's kind of unfortunate. Anyways, what we can do is, I'll probably deploy it. Since we are running into issues with the preview, deploy the website live so that I can see the latest changes to it. So let's take a look at the changes and we can decide what the next steps can be from there. Today it's gonna be a shorter stream because I don't know how to continue now. I feel like it's gonna take a couple of hours to build the mood board and it's gonna be pretty boring. But the good thing is that I do have a foundation of the website, so I can dedicate some time to visualize it, find some more websites, think of how I can make the sections a bit better. But this is a good start. If I didn't start doing this live stream today, I wouldn't have done anything, so I'm pretty happy. So let's see if it's gonna be deployed because I wanna see the changes to see how far we've come. What else did I look for? Let's look for logos again. This is nice. But instead of reach out, this says cop, but in the same style. You can see a vision here. Let me save this real quick. Message came through empty again. What do you need? Yeah, I feel like I'm running into a few bugs here, but this is the live version. And whoa, this hover effect is not great for sure. Yeah, there's a lot of things that I need to do here. But I'm happy with the layout for starters. But yeah, it needs more work. Okay. I feel like since we're at 2 hours now, and this stream has been a little bit choppy. I could probably end this here, and I can have a good basis to work on and think about. I can probably continue this tomorrow with a little bit more energy, and I promise that I can make a lot of progress. So yeah, I think I could go with that. Thanks a lot for watching this like shorter stream, and I'll be right back soon to make this look fucking epic. It's really not gonna take more than a day or two. So yeah, see you soon everybody. Peace.